Hi, in this video I will show you how to print the class roster reports from PowerSchool SIS admin portal. Class roster reports will help you to print all the class lists for all the teachers, for specific teachers, by homeroom or by any other sections as well. So you can find the class roster reports under System Reports, which is existing on the left navigation menu of PowerSchool. And if you're going below a little bit under the System tab, you can find student listings, and then you can find the class rosters PDF report under it. First thing you will see when you click on the class roster PDF report, there's a 3 areas. It will help you to filter reports by teacher, by specific period, or by the current specific enrollment. So in my example, I would like to print the class roster report for all the teachers just by homeroom. So I will tick on the checkbox that beside only the homeroom or the advisory period. Then I would like to include all the enrollment that will start on September 2nd, which is the first day of the school. If we're going below a little bit, there is 2 sections, 2 important sections will help to build the report. So the first section is the heading section. In this section, you should add all the information that will be printed on the top of each class list. So in my example, I have included the school name, the teacher name, the course name, course number, section number, also the expression, the term number, and the room number. So at the end, this will look like this heading. Of course, you can customize by include more information or make it more simple by removing any extra column you need. And to determine how you can add more fields or exclude it, you can just click on these fields. So as you see, there is many many other fields related to the section. Okay, so also you can format the font for the heading area by changing the font or the size, and of course I would like to print the heading in every single page. Then we will go below. There's another section responsible for set up the class roster table itself, and which will print the student information. So in my example, I have already set up specific student information to pull from the database. So like the student number, last first, gender, date of birth, age, grade level, guardian email, or father and mother phones. Of course, you can add or you can remove. Also, you can change the format as you would like. And as you see, like in the format, you need to add first the field name, then the column title, column width, and the alignment. If it is like left, center, whatever. So I have already set up this for you, so you can just write the same thing at your end to help to just save your time. By the way, if you'd like to add more fields, just click on this link. And as you see, I can include any information related to the students, like the father name, emergency phone, if there's any alerts, anything related to the student information. Also, again, there is some other fields related to format, some other like option to format the roster table. So you can change the font, the font size, the spaces between each cell or each column, and then you can say you can select if you would like to print it on A4 or letter, and also the orientation or scale. It will be like portrait or landscape. If you would like also to include watermark, and once you finish, just submit. So once you have submitted, it will be going to the report to queue, and just after like a few seconds, you will find it become ready. So just click, and as you see, like this is the final result. So I wish this helps, and please let me know if you have more questions. Thank you.